G'day folks, Jaden Drought here for the Farm Trader magazine. Here we are at our harvest showcase, and today we've got one for the farmers. It's not all about the contractors. We had the triple mowers with groupers, we've had the front and back mowers, but here we've got the SaMASZ KT 341. So this is predominantly designed for farmers, 3.4 metre width, still the strong, perfect cutter bar with the easily swappable parts from the larger mowers, so modules, discs, knives, etc., all exactly the same. You can change all of that stuff on the go. If you break a keyway, $5 part, rip it out, new one back in, happy days. 3.4 metre cut, 8 discs, and it's got hydraulic suspension just like the bigger mowers. So we've got the 2 rams set up here like we've seen in the larger mowers. This bigger one here does the transport, so that folds right up, while the smaller one here does the headland. We've got 2 accumulators around the back that controls the breakaway but also the bar pressure, so we've got hydraulic bar pressure, and that can be changed on the fly from the little controller in the cab. As you can see around here, while it might be considered a simple farmer's mower, there's still plenty of technology in this mower. We've got a large, well-constructed headstock. Again, like we've seen with the big mowers, we've got that 7 process paint quality, and this machine has been a demo machine, and again, very, very few signs of any deterioration. So there's a couple of unique things about this mower in terms of the folding up. So for folding up for transport and storage, you can have it either folding straight up beside the tractor. You can then either have it swinging around so it sticks straight up behind the tractor, or around the back here and then sticking straight out. So not only is that cool in terms of how you want to either drive the tractor in the paddock or down the race, down the road for example, but in terms of storage, being able to have the mower folded up but straight out the back. You can put it in some of those lower calf sheds or something, for example, around the farm. That can be a little bit niggly in terms of trying to getting a lifted up mower or a folded down mower in a shed, so that's another cool feature. If we just look at some of the transport locks, for example, obviously this is our main transport lock. However, our main lock here during our actual working process it's in the position now, so if we folded it up, that would hit against that. That's our stopper for our in-work headland position. It then gets lifted all the way up. That allows it to be folded up in the transport position, and then it sits all the way down, and that V there sits against there, and that's the park lock. So that locks it in. You then release the pressure off all of the rams, and with the 2 stands, it's nice and easy to take it off for storage. If we look at the top 5 reasons why you should consider the SaMASZ mower as part of your farming regime, whether it's pre-topping or it's mowing your hay and silage, the first one has to be build quality. We've got the perfect cutter bar as well as that excellent build strength that we've seen throughout the SaMASZ range. Second up, it has to be the paint quality. 7-step process, and like all of the mowers that we've seen, the paint has been flawless. The third one has to be the 2-year warranty and the parts availability, and I guess the conjunction with the other mowers. So the commonality of parts is a great thing for many people who are running a range of the SaMASZ range. If we then look at the fourth one, that has to be the hydraulic suspension or ground pressure on the bar mower, as well as those accumulators. And then the fifth one is also to do with the hydraulics, and that's the 3 folding positions. So up beside the tractor, around behind the tractor, or down the back. Not only is that fantastic for various transport modes, but also for storage. Check out the upcoming video at farmtrader.co.nz, as well as the write-up in the autumn issue of the Farm Trader magazine, and keep an eye on the socials.